What's good, YouTube? Your boy BOSSCO, Bobby Thrift, back again with another video. Let's go ahead and see what's going on inside this Ross. So we got women's active right there, which we're gonna look into. I mean, we got some stuff right here. Let's just dive in and see. USA merch, $12.99 for 30. Today we're actually looking for Amazon FBA stuff. So if it's not for Amazon, I'm not gonna scoop it, even if it's eBay. $10 for 25. Let me see. Columbia stuff. I seen something right here that caught my attention. That's why I'm coming over here. Yeah, what's this jersey right here? What's this jersey right here? $24.99. I've been having issues lately at the last few Rosses I've been going to. Let's see if the retail tag is here. Somebody in the comments told me that maybe this could be player issue stuff. That's why the retail tag is not on here. We're gonna hold on to this just to see what's up, but already found something dope, but no tag on it. We can't do nothing with no tag. This one does have a tag for $30. That's crazy though. Why are they doing that? New Balance tee. If you guys have any more information on that stuff or somebody has explained it to you, let me know. Let me just scan this shirt since we're gonna keep seeing it. Unfortunately, when I scan it, it does not come up, so we're gonna leave that. Let's continue to dive through this side of the women's section and see if we find anything worthwhile. Of course, I'll show you guys Adidas, $10.99 for 25 again. Let me just scan it to see if there's something there. Unfortunately, that does not come up either. Let's go ahead and dive back in to see if we find some more stuff. Adidas, nothing there. Go down here. So far, only one thing, but I mean, I guess that's good. One is better than none, right? What's that? Puma. What's this here? Adidas. Active. Okay. Nothing else really over here. Nothing else really over here, unfortunately. Nothing else down here, up here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tap in and look into some more stuff. See if we can find anything else over here. The aisle is pretty thin, so I'll come back to women's active, but so far we just found this jersey right here. Nigerian Football Federation. Let me know what you guys think about this. I wish it had a retail tag on it though. For some reason it doesn't. $12.99 for 30 bucks. Let me see. This New Balance jacket would be interesting, but I'm not ungated in New Balance. 24 bucks. Colorway's pretty dope. We'll leave that alone. Calvin. Under Armour. New Balance again. New Balance again. Under Armour. I've seen these Under Armour items before and they didn't do well for me, so that's why I'm just passing on them. If you guys want to see that information, just check out some of my older videos. Nothing. Okay, so this location's women's section is not as popping as the other ones have been. It's a little more turned down. So we're just gonna take that, get out of here, go check out the men's section, check out the shoes, and see what else is here. If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? So we got this jersey. It's going over here to the active, or this is clearance right here. And let's go on over to active shorts. You can kind of glance at the shorts and see if there's something there, because they've been having nothing for the shorts. Nope. So let's go on over here and check out and see if there's anything popping for the shoes. So far, we only got one item. Actually, I need to check out these clippers too. These clippers are something that I can scan for FBA. And like I said, it's about getting into different things and just the same thing you get to every time. And I've seen, shout out to Reezy Resales. He had something displaying, flipping these clippers too, that he got from the Lowe's. Let's see if it pops up for me. I don't know, the connection in here has been crazy and it did not pop up. Okay, so I scanned this one, the home cut combo, $23. This one did pop up, but only for, okay, $42, but the ranking is a little bit high, 14 or 1.4 million. It's kind of high, but you know, $24 for that. I don't know. What would you guys do? I'm kind of good on that. You know what I'm saying? Damn, so they got the other one here. This one has much better ranking, 162, but it requires, can I get auto? Can I get auto? Can I get auto? No, I cannot have to submit stuff, so gotta leave it alone. So let's take a look at the shoe section to see if there's anything here for me. We got some Under Armour cleats on clearance for $13.99. Might be pretty good, but I'm leaving them. I'm not dealing with cleats no more. $13.99 for those two. If you guys have sold those, let me know. Or let us know in the comment section how much you sold them for. Got some more cleats down here. $13.99 again. Some more Boost cleats. Nothing I really write home about yet. Coming down the shoe section, we find some Under Armours that look pretty different. These hovers, $54. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Since we don't have too much here, let me go ahead and check out and see what this is talking about to go along with our jersey. Got Champion shoes over here. Nothing really popping over here. Champion, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Kind of, I mean, I guess it just depends on your location, man. I've been going to some location where things were a lot better, and this one seems to be a little worse. Let me go ahead and get my cart. 2 items so far. Let's go look down this other shoe aisle right here and see if we can find anything worthwhile here. Okay. Adidas, Puma. Now these Adidas here is something I think we've seen this at another location. I forgot to look it up. So let's go ahead and put that in the basket. So that's 3 items. We got 3 pair of those. So if they work, we're gonna grab those 2. Anything else here? P.O.BOX. Nothing necessarily worth it. We'll go ahead and look up these shoes right now to see if they're worth grabbing before we continue on somewhere else. Okay, so we have this shoe right here. $45 is what they're asking for them. You guys see them have them listed for $85, $159, $180, $80, $64. Does seem pretty good. I'm not here really for eBay items though. What the hell happened? I'm not really here for eBay items though, but 80, 100, February 22nd. We'll hold these in the cart and see what's up. They got 3 of them, so I'll hold those and see what's up. Now let's check out this Under Armour and see what's really good with this. So we got these Under Armours right here, which I did look up. There's some Hover 3s. Not really much going on. Somebody does have them listed for 100. Somebody else has it for 115. Let's go ahead and check the sold comps because that's most important. Only 2 for $69.69 with shipping. January 27th, December 16th, most recent. Not really the best buy. We're gonna hold this on. I don't think I'm gonna grab this though, but we'll make our final decision at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about those and if you guys sold them for more or are they a waste of time. This is crazy. Look at this jacket. Looks like but it's divided. This is an H&M thing. I don't understand how Ross got it. So Ross is getting stuff from H&M now too. Let me know if you guys have been noticing that also. If I see something, I will definitely let you guys know. Anything that's worthwhile grabbing, of course, because they do have some things that people would like, but $14 for $45. What is this? We'll leave that to come back to. Slide on down. What's this Adidas thing? $60, $65 for $16.99. Kind of got like a Knicks colorway. Maybe like a tennis shirt. Let me go ahead and scan that and see what's up with that. And this shirt does come up. You guys can check it here. Rank is kind of high, 400K. Amazon is selling it. $35. They want, what was it, $16.99. It normally goes for $65, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave that, but let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comment section below. So I remember last year and the year before that, they had a lot of these Nike swim long sleeves, but they weren't hoodies. Now they have hoodie editions. $24 for 54 is the original tag. You know, I did sell some of them swim shirts, so I would not be surprised. Like, this should pop up. Let me go ahead and scan it and see what's up. At first glance, they don't come up, so maybe we'll do some more research another time. $24 is more than I want to spend on it anyway. Nothing. The baseball, Nike baseball stuff doesn't do well for me at all. I know you guys probably seen that, but I just passed on it because it just doesn't really suit me. $26, so I'm gonna deal with that. So today is looking like one of those days. One of those more slower days, but it is what it is. You don't know until you find out. $30. It's just like, the stuff is not really here. Yeah, because right now we just have these 3 items, and out of the 3 items, you know, this Nike jersey we can't really rock with because it doesn't have the original tag on it. It does look dope. If you guys have sold this before or know what the original retail tag on this is, let me know in the comments below. This Under Armour shoes, not really the business. The best find would be those Adidas.